Shikshan has helped him in, clearing the exams for level 1, grade 1 also. Because the teachers were so impressed to see him doing cursive writing. They did not expect him to do cursive writing. They gave him some dictation and he was like really easily writing those words in a proper flow. So I guess the books help you practice a lot. So keeping a track of everything through the app. Make sure that I cover this topic. For tomorrow, I have something already planned for me. So, the month-wise plan and tracking the syllabus, that's really great. The Shikshan program helped me build a routine for my son. He has knowledge, basic knowledge of so many concepts because, so many concepts have been covered in that. So something which a child would learn in grade 1, he has covered most of those topics in being at KG2. So that way it has helped us a lot. So I'm happy, I'm confident, and I'm content.